There we go.
Yeah, how's it?
It's video. It's
Talk. Come on, you want
How's
candid
your,
camera?
it's not bad. We're drinking this.
Okay,
How's that bourbon?
put it up more towards the center, otherwise you can't
No,
see.
you show it to the camera. There we go.
Ah,
How's that, eh?
no, down.
It's smooth, huh?
It's very smooth.
Is it like a bourbon or is it a...
It tastes. It tastes like
No, that's not for you.
like an American whiskey, which is like bourbon.
No, in bed now.
Sure.
Very good. It's good to be here, man. Cheers.
Thank you.
Happy
Birthday.
64th tomorrow, huh? Sure, that's a big one.
64.
You know the song?
The Beatles, 64.
Will you still need me? Will you still feed me when I'm 64?
Well, you're going to be 64
Careful,
tomorrow.
you're gonna fall.
I'm 64 in South Africa, but it's LA time. I mean, it's Toronto time.
Toronto time.
So it's not quite.
Sit down.
No, you're
Okay, you
going
can
out
push the
of
button again, babe.